The holiday season is upon us, but sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to figure out what to wear and also stay warm. So stay tuned because I've got you covered. Hello, welcome back to Stylecast, where I give you outfit inspiration based on the weather. And I'm currently forecasting for the holiday season, so it's going to be in the teens and the 20s. Definitely some cooler temps, but I want to give you some outfits to help you stay warm and glam it up. This is the outfit that I would go for if I was going to a dinner. So maybe this is like your Christmas Eve dinner or your Christmas dinner, something that you want to really elevate how you're feeling, how you're looking, and I want to highlight how I've focused on the top, because if you're at a dinner, you're going to be seated, and so it's really all about what's happening up here. In fact, you could also add some jewelry, maybe some great earrings would also be a nice touch. And then because the top is such a statement piece, I wanted to balance it out with something a little bit more neutral but still dressy, so I went for a leather trouser. Now, depending on where you are and how dressy you want to get, if this is your family dinner, then maybe a pair of jeans will feel good, or if you guys really dress it up, maybe a skirt would be a good idea here too, or even a wide leg wool trouser. And then I do have a pointed toe heel, a pump on, and I do think that that completes the look. Again, keeps everything a little bit more elevated, a little bit more in the holiday and festive feels. For this next look, this is something that I would choose if I was going to a friend's holiday party. So you want to dress up, you definitely want to make an effort and feel festive, but it's not like all out New Year's Eve or anything. So I am paring it back by not going for like a full sequin dress, but something that is a little bit more classic, but does have a little bit of the festive touch with a tiny bit of the embroidery here in the gold. And I'm also wanting to highlight how I went for a dress that has the one sleeve coverage. So again, I'm trying to give you outfits that are appropriate for cold weather. So definitely opting for something like this instead of a fully strapless option with the one sleeve is going to give you a little more warmth. And then of course, adding a pair of tights is also going to give you a lot of warmth. And I did go for a closed-toed heel again. I do think you could go for a little ankle booty. In fact, one time I wore this dress to a holiday party and I paired it with some tights and a little wedge booty. So it was like a little bit edgier. I think that was when I was in New York City, so it felt really appropriate. So it kind of depends on where you are and what you want to wear. And then of course I would top this look off with a big jacket, one that is going to go almost all the way down to your ankles. You really just need the warmth. I would even go for like what we call a sleeping bag down jacket. If it is that cold and you're going to an evening event, you just need to stay warm, and that would be an option. But you could also do a long wool coat that goes to the ankles, or even a shearling coat that also has the length, and that will help keep you warm, and it'll keep the vibes of a dressed up look. Next look is perfect for an office party or workwear event. It has some of the underpinnings of office attire with the trouser and blazer set, but we're making it a little more festive by adding a little sequin crop top here. Now, I will say, depending on where you work, the crop top might feel a little bit too risque and you might want something a little more conservative. I would say just replacing this with a bit of a higher neck camisole. It could be a beautiful silk camisole, or you could go for something sparkly, again, to be a bit more festive. That would be perfect. And then I do like the touch of a fun clutch. Something like this that is gonna add a little pop. It's got the metallic and then a little bit of the fur details. So again, it's more of that luxe material leaning into the holiday season. So I think that helps complete the look. And then I do want to give you a little style tip here, again, to help you stay warm. I did leave my stockings, my tights on underneath these trousers. So that is going to give me another layer, and it's going to keep my feet warmer by keeping them fully covered, even though I am wearing a pump that has a little bit of what would be skin showing if I didn't have the nylons on. So I think that that is a really good tip to think about wearing your nylons, wearing those tights underneath your trousers, your jeans, your pants. That will help keep you warm and give you a little bit more coverage with your feet. This next look is one that I would wear if I were attending a fundraiser or even a live performance like going to the symphony, or one of my favorite things to do this time of year is to go to the Nutcracker. So something that you want to dress up for. I know that people don't traditionally dress up as much anymore, but I think we can change that and bring it back. It's all about what you want to do, and if you want to dress up, I'm giving you permission to do it because I like to do it too. So let me take you through this look. Hervé Leger kindly gifted me this dress, and it is one that I will be keeping in my wardrobe forever. It is so classic. It is so classy. As you know, the bandage style is just so beautiful at how it sucks everything in, gives you a beautiful shape. They've gone for this deep U shape up in the bust and a bit of a longer length in the skirt, balancing out how this is just a little bit more sexy and then bringing it down a little bit more with a longer skirt. I think that it is the perfect combination of just a beautiful classic black dress that is on the dressier side for the holiday season. Now, I did add a little fur stole. That is something that I picked up at a thrift store years and years ago, and it is the perfect little layer to add a bit of luxe and a little bit of warmth. Again, as I was mentioning, if you're going to wear this to a performance, it's something to kind of put over your shoulders and give you a little bit of warmth without the bulk of a jacket, of even a sweater or a cardigan. So that might be the perfect thing. And also, if you are attending one of these fundraiser events, you're usually walking around, there's little auction tables and things like that. Sometimes it's a gambling night. I think this again would be perfect for that. This is something I would wear in Vegas even, for sure. If you are attending a fundraiser that is a gambling night, I think this would be a perfect option. And again, having that little stole around your arms is going to give you a little bit more warmth while you mix and mingle. The final look that I want to highlight as a holiday look that will keep you warm is something that you could wear to a gala or a black tie event. So I would go for a gown. All of this material is going to keep you covered and keep you warm. You can still lean into little details like a little cutout details. The back here also has a bit of a dip, and so you're getting a little bit of something interesting, a little bit sexy probably if you want to feel that way for your date that you're going with. But then also it's going to give you a lot of coverage, and I do like this style of a neckline. It is a little bit more classy, a little bit more modest for a gala event. It really just depends on what kind of event that you are attending. And because I went for this beautiful green color, I'm really letting the dress and the color be the statement and just adding a couple of touches with some sparkle because I want to keep it really festive. So I do have my diamante earrings on here, and then I did add a shoe that also has the little diamante detail, and they're peeking out from this long column dress. I think it actually is the perfect combination to have these two little pieces of sparkle shining up by my face and then down by my feet. It kind of pulls the whole look together and again gives it that festive feel. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you some warmer options to wear during the holiday season. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you get all my future videos. Until then, have a beautiful holiday season, and I'll see you guys next time.